In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a line break within a cell in Excel. This simple yet powerful trick will allow you to manage your information more effectively without moving to another cell every time you press Enter. Whether you're drafting longer notes, organizing data, or simply trying to make your spreadsheet more readable, being able to create a new line within a cell can be really helpful. Let's start by diving into the process on a Windows computer. First, you need to engage with the cell you want to work on. A quick way to do this is by either double-clicking on the cell or, if you prefer using your keyboard, pressing the F2 key. This action activates the edit mode for that particular cell, allowing you to make changes directly where you need them. Now, with your cell in edit mode, scan your eyes across the text. Spot the exact place where you want to start a new line. Once you've identified the right spot, click there with your mouse, or use the arrow keys to navigate to that point. This is an important step because this is where your new line will begin. Here comes the key part. Pressing Alt, along with Enter simultaneously. This nifty keyboard shortcut tells Excel that instead of starting a new cell, you'd like to break right here into a new line within the same cell. You'll notice immediately that the text below your cursor is pushed to a new line, neatly splitting up your content as defined. Creating line breaks within a cell is a great way to format your spreadsheet nicely without having to merge multiple cells or disrupt the flow of your work. It's especially useful for inserting detailed information, making lists, or adding comments directly into the cell's content for greater clarity. Another benefit is that this method maintains your spreadsheet structure and avoids creating unnecessary cells just to make your data easier to read. Remember, this technique is invaluable when you're working with complex spreadsheets where organization is key. By effectively managing the text presentation, you ensure that others viewing your file, or even yourself at a later time, can understand the content with much less effort. It's these little tips and tricks that can save time and make your workflow more efficient, allowing you to focus on the insights your data is bringing to light. Now, you have a new skill under your belt for dealing with Excel sheets, making sure they're neat, tidy, and ready to communicate information as clearly as possible. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this Excel tip both useful and easy to implement.